Now, what did you have to do to learn all of that?
Well, I had a friend that actually he became my husband. He was a friend first, though. That was good. And he knew I was a nurse, knew I wrote a lot. And there was a pig farmer from Iowa named Slider Gilmore who came to Wisconsin to do a seminar for the Governor's Conference on Highway Safety. So he was also an EMT.
Hmm.
And he was asked to do this two-wheel trauma program, and he thought I'd be interested in it. So I went and took that class from Slider, and then after that thought, oh boy, there's a lot more I need to know. Things like, do you move somebody or do you leave them where they landed? You'd always hear things like you never move anybody, and that is just not the right piece of advice. And
Hmm.
then you would say things like, well, what about the helmet? What if I need to access their face?
Yeah.
And you would hear things like, but you never remove a helmet. And I thought, that does not sound right, those two pieces of advice, because you could have somebody run over, because you were afraid to move them.
Yeah.
And if you don't take the helmet off and they're not breathing, you can't have access then to their face where you can do rescue breathing. So
Right.
essentially, that's kind of what got me interested in, well, what should the response be? And we try to debunk a lot of myths as we teach our class.